Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and if you're new, welcome. Today I just wanted to share some areas that we often forget that builds up dirt, grime, and if you have pets, fur, that need to be deep cleaned from time to time. First off, we're going to start with the area behind the bathroom doors from the front to the back. So this is the front part, and we're just going to start with showing you the dirt and then using the Clorox wipe a couple times and showing you that the dirt is removed.
It seems like a total cliche, doesn't it? It's true because it's paranoid, isn't it? We all need to be paranoid, and I think football is the same. Something that is icky. I have friends that are small friends like, oh, just too much bathroom. That's why I was back at home. I didn't feel like I was being watched necessarily so much as it dawned on me that what I was doing was a bad idea. It didn't work out why at first. It's not like great whites or no swim up and put off, but in the end, it just felt like it was too exposed, too vulnerable. I tried telling myself that it was being rational, but I just couldn't seem to shake the feeling.
Now here you can see that it did clean it relatively well. Even with just a Clorox wipe, it cleaned it really well. I'm thinking that probably needs to be done at least once or twice a week. This is the area behind the downstairs bathroom door. You can see again where the dust and the hair and the grime is piled up. So we continue in the same sequence, trying to scrub as hard as we can to remove all that gunk. Seriously. And there you go. All that scrubbing was worthwhile. It looks much better. So another area that I'm going to address today is the kickboards underneath the cabinets. They really seem to pile up a lot of dirt and debris in my home. I guess people's shoes and just the pets, everyday wear. So I'm going to deep clean and scrub those around my kitchen as well with the Clorox disinfectant wipes.
Before I start this video, make sure to use Circle Silly when you're buying umbrellas. Silly,
I was thinking positive, telling myself it made for a heck of a workout, even though I don't think that it ends. After that, like I mentioned at the start, I basically just turned pale and ran. Didn't buy it as a fast or anything like that. I just bailed back toward my father's house and on the street and just got out of there. I don't really think about how much money I lost walking away from myself. I think about
You need some extracurricular stuff I could put on my notifications. As most UK students know, one of the best to have on there is the usability GPS allowance. It's a teamwork experience, and you can overcome hurdles together with them. I was out of the place at the time, so my uncle volunteered to take me for the last part of the day. We were on a dirt trail heading uphill with bushes and trees under the sun. We were marching almost in silence at this point.
And the championship trophy
Until
goes
we
to
were
the
discovered,
Greenwood.
there was a rustling of the foliage in the air. With a red sunshine and bright sky. It looked to be in his late 70s or perhaps early 80s.
Are we ready to play some
Very
soccer?
tall, with a liver spot crossing his face, and a grey and white cone
No,
at the top.
I'm going to be the
I
referee.
was instantly
It's
really
my
angry.
job to make
Who
sure
doesn't
everyone
like
plays
that
by
to
the
go the
rules
woods?
and has fun.
The instant pause is the scene.
Another area that I think is forgotten is the area around the washer and dryer units. If you're like me and you have a laundry closet versus a laundry room, this is a lot more identifiable. I'm on the search for a vacuum that is really good at collecting pet fur and dust. We went through some vacuums since we've lived in our home. I guess the pet fur, maybe they claim to be pet fur friendly, but it seems like after so much time, their suction force is not there anymore. So I'm on the hunt for a really good pet vacuum, and I would like to be able, I think that would be better for my corners, especially in areas like this. But for now, I am perfectly happy with the Clorox wipes. As you can see, it's doing a great job of cleaning the area around the washer and dryer. And see, even here, I feel like everything looks so much better. Even wiping off the very top as well, it still makes everything look so much better. Thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my video today. And whatever time of day you're watching this, whether morning, afternoon, or evening, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Please leave a thumbs up and share.